I lost a friend, I lost a friend, I lost my mind. And nobody believes me, so you know that he don't need me. Cause he made a little too much money to be 20 and sad. But I'll be fine without him, but all I do is write about him. How the hell did I lose a friend I never had? I'd apologize if I thought it might make a difference or make you listen. I apologize. Feels black and white, but life is different. Just try.